Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Assistant on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the App Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Google Assistant. And you will see the Google Assistant app on the search results. Now tap on Google Assistant and download it right away. It is completely free. Since I have already downloaded it, I'll just open it. When you open this app for the first time, you have to complete your setup by tapping on some buttons. And then you will see this page. On this page, to start using the Google Assistant, you have to tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen and then start speaking. Since you are using it on iPhone, Siri will be by default your voice assistant. You cannot use it just like you can use it on Android device. However, you can activate Google Assistant by using Siri. Long press on your home button and then say, Siri, open Google Assistant. And your Google Assistant app will be open. And that is how you can use Google Assistant on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.